National 5 biology students, let's do this past paper question together. So this one says, the ability of a person to roll their tongue is a dominant characteristic and it's represented by the symbol R, okay? So the ability to roll their tongue is represented by R. A male with the genotype capital R small r and a female with the genotype small r had a child who was unable to roll their tongue. State the genotype of their child. Okay, so the ability to roll your tongue is a dominant characteristic which is represented by capital R. That means you only need one capital R in order to be able to roll your tongue. So if this child was unable to roll their tongue, that means they can't have had a capital R, which means they must be two lowercase r's. Part 2, tick one box to identify whether the child's genotype is homozygous or heterozygous and give a reason for your choice. So the child's genotype is going to be homozygous, and because we have two matching alleles, okay? If the alleles did not match like they do with the male, then we would call that heterozygous, but because the alleles do match, they are homozygous. Part 3, the male and female are having another child. Predict the percentage chance that this child will be able to roll their tongue. So for this one, we're going to have to do a Punnett square, okay? So we've got one male who has a capital R and a small r, and the female who has two lowercase r's, like that. Put them into our Punnett square, like so, and we get offspring that have this, okay? So the chance that they'll be able to roll their tongue, well, 1, 2 of the 4 offspring are able to do it, 2 out of 4, which is a percentage of 50%, okay? Part B, state which type of variation is shown by tongue rolling ability. So tongue rolling ability, you can either roll your tongue or you can't. There are two distinct groups that you can belong to. You can either roll it or you can't. Now, if you are part of those two distinct groups, that means that it will be discrete variation, okay? Distinct groups, discrete variation. That's the way to remember it. Hope that helps, folks. See you in the next one.